Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 8.2, customizing the quick access toolbar in 3 steps. We've covered this earlier, but why don't we go through it one more time. Quick access toolbar is up here at the top and above the ribbon. You can customize it to any of the 400 plus different icons available, and some of them are overwhelming. The pictures here in this worksheet are just a description. I will show you these in a second. To illustrate the quick access toolbar, it's just above the home section shown here in this picture. In a new Excel application, you're going to start off with what's called the autosave, which is this feature here. And then if there are any changes, you have save, undo, and redo. To make changes to your quick access toolbar, click this down arrow, go to more commands. There's a dialog box, if you will, of the quick access toolbar as shown in the fixed picture on this worksheet. To add or delete any items here, make sure you're in the quick access toolbar as opposed to customizing the ribbon. You're in the quick access toolbar. You have options here. You can go to popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, all commands, macros, file tab, print preview tab, background removal tool, home tab. What it does is minimizing or narrowing down your options each time you click a different command. So if you go to all commands, you can scroll down seemingly forever. Now keep in mind, the data here in the quick access toolbars equates to probably 30 years of Microsoft design. You're going to find a lot of legacy or old stuff in here that may work, it may not, it may have a description, it may not. Some of it's just misleading, some of it's old. There's a lot of information here. It's up to you if you want to investigate this, but your options are seemingly limitless. It's up to you to figure out whatever works for you. That's all commands. You can go to popular commands. You can paste, you can open, you can hit new files. I have a few over here. I don't use the quick access toolbar much. If that works for you, it is a time saver in some cases. If you want to add a cut feature, highlight the cut feature, hit add, and it's over. Just notice the scissors, hit OK, and now we have a scissors icon up here in the quick access toolbar. If you want to remove that particular command, go to more commands, go to cut, hit remove, and you're good to go. You can also import, you can also reset, you can also configure this. You can customize this. You can add a different, you can customize to a specific worksheet. So you have a lot of features here, but that's a quick overview of the quick access toolbar. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.